All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Ford Mustang. It is the 5.0 GT convertible, black with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, and navigation system, heated cooling seats, alloy wheels, fog lights, super nice, and best of all, no damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire thread is over 830 seconds. Only 3,000 miles on this car. We got two little chips. 1, 2 on the door. Right there in that corner. The rest looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. Your tire thread over now 830 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. There's a powered seat. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Super nice. Let's go real quick. Push start system. This vehicle does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. Got your heated and cooling seats right there. Your Navi system shows up right there. Boom. Here's your backup camera. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. Pretty good. Does have a mileage of 33,350. Does have an airbag light on. And there's your Navi system right there. Looks good. Police and tour for in here. Very nice. Let me turn off this car because it's pretty loud. Alright. Coming around. Rear bumper has got sensors. Looks good. Just have a heavy scratch right here, about 2 inches. Boom. Your deck lid looks pretty good. Here's your trunk spacing with that. Looks like pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools. It does have the little coverings here on your for your soft top. It's got them on both sides. Boom, that looks good. This quarter here looks good. Here's your rear passenger side rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing back here. Tire thread over 830 seconds. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Tire thread over 830 seconds. Looks fantabulous. I should have turned on the lights. I don't know what to do. Well, lights are working. Things are on, folks. Once again, this is a 2000 and I should have kept the car on, but anyway, this is a 2018 Ford Mustang GT 5.0 GT model with 3,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.